Hi everyone, it's Claire here today with a new video for the Killing Kit series. This time around I'm using the leftovers from one of my old counterfeit kits. This was from around September, October 2017, so not a completely old kit for me. I made this one, I think it was based on a Studio Calico inspiration, and I really loved it. I made lots of projects with it at the time, but I haven't used it all up yet. So today I just wanted to use this one as the basis for a couple of quick cards. I made some very similar cards a couple of months ago when I was doing some design work for the Wild Hair kits. I used lots and lots of scraps that were still lying around on my desk and just literally stitched them to a card. So I'm replicating that today, and I just want to show you how easy it is. I've cut down 2 card blanks, and you'll have seen me cut down 10 pieces per card of just random scraps. Those are all 3 inches by 1 inch. I've selected them from, random at random, and they match, so it doesn't matter. That's one of the benefits of having a kit. Everything works together well already. There's 10 pieces per card, and you can see that I am literally sticking them down randomly. I'm not going to bother about all of the edges because I'm going to stitch through them and make sure that it's all secure. But if you don't have a sewing machine, you might want to be a little bit more thorough in your sticking, even if you leave some of the edges up for a bit of texture. Once they're all stuck down, I'm going to look for sentiments, die cuts, some old alphas, anything that will create the sentiment for the front of the card, or decorate the front of the card. And I've settled on a couple of kind of gold foiled sentiments. I think they are from One Canoe 2. One of them might have been from Chamel. Once they're kind of stuck in place, again, I'm going to stitch through those just with a straight stitch to make sure all of the elements of my card are stuck down and are secured to the card base. I'm just going to trim off the edges. I'm not too bothered about whether there's a little bit of extra thread or not. I think it just kind of adds to the texture of the card. And then I'm just going to decorate the final bits of the card with some jewels and maybe a couple of stickers from this One Canoe 2 sheet that I had lying around. That's it. I hope you'll come back next time for another Killing Kits video. And as always, if you've got any questions, come and find me in the Counterfeit Kit community group on Facebook.